and Hello everybody, I'm Gabby and this is Gabby Tech. In today's video we're gonna see exclusively Huawei P Smart 2021 phone just now. We will take a look at it, we'll check how it looks, we'll unbox it. Here is a little bit preview of the different colors we have from this phone. You see this blush gold, midnight black, the one that we have here, and crush green. Let's take a look together what's inside the box. This is the box, we open it. That's the phone in nice plastic bag. This is the phone itself, midnight black. We see beautiful design and round angles. 6.67-inch Full HD display with IPS panel, very beautiful, with amazing colors that we will check just later. Here we see on the sides we have audio jack, USB Type-C jack, microphones. This is the place where the SIM belongs. It's 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of ROM. Storage plus additional 512 GB of opportunity for SD card. Then we have a card here for app gallery and phone clone, the options, because this phone doesn't support Google Play, you know, but Huawei has the decision that's app gallery and 2 more apps that are Google Store like, and they can give you all the applications you need. Then inside the box we have our SIM ejecting tool and quick guides and manuals. We see the charger, 22.5 watt supercharged charger with USB Type-C cable. For 1 minute you can watch up to 2 more hours more video with just 1 minute charging. A pair of earplugs for a happy heart. I always get happy when I see a pair of earplugs. That's what's in the box of Huawei P Smart 2021. The phone itself is extremely beautiful. The display gives amazing colors, as I said. We have fingerprint on the side, exactly here. This is a new innovation technology. It's not in the display, it's not on the back, it's here on the on and off button, which is actually cool. That's the interface of the menu. MY 10.1 based on Android 10. Very bright display. Here are the pre-installed applications that the phone installs when you put your Huawei ID and so on and so on. And the 3 applications that you actually need are more apps, APK Pure, and App Gallery for having everything you need if that's your first. The processor inside this phone is Kirin 710A, 8-core processor, and the graphics Mali G51MP4. The camera, we see the impressive block with 4 cameras, 2 megapixel macro camera, 2 megapixel sensor for depth, 48 megapixel AI quad camera, and 8 megapixel ultra wide 120 degrees. And front camera here, 8 megapixel. The battery life, 5000 milliampere hours. That's very impressive because this phone has King's battery. It can stay alive till, I don't know, 2-3 days even, without any problems. The processor has no problems with taking games like Call of Duty Mobile and PUBG without any problem. Huawei P Smart 2021 is really impressive phone for now with all of these features. I forgot to mention that it doesn't support NFC and is Bluetooth 5.1. Here in a better view you can check the camera and the f-stops 2.4. on 2 megapixel, 2.4 on 2 megapixels depth sensor, 48 megapixel f1.8 and 8 megapixels f2.4 again. Impressive camera block, typical about Huawei. I suggest we should actually check it and do some pictures and videos with this camera. I forgot to mention about the videos, it's 1080p, maximum 30 frames per second. And the artificial intelligence software of the camera gives you endless opportunities for portrait beauty and many modes that you can play around with your camera, and also the amazing night scenes that it can do. The low light is not a problem for Huawei phones. Thank you very much guys for watching this little review. Enjoy the photos and the videos at the end of the video. I'll put on the bottom of each picture how it's done. Thank you very much.